Welcome to Designer Digital's Biweekly Tip, March 8th, 2019. This week, creating text near or overlapping existing text. When you want to create new text near or over an existing text box, Photoshop automatically defaults to selecting the original text layer. It assumes that you want to edit that text layer. It can be frustrating to have to move to a different area of the document to create your text and then drag it into place. Fortunately, there's a way to let the software know that you're creating new text instead of editing the original text. Here's how. Begin by opening a document with text in Photoshop or Elements. Get the Type tool and position it over the original text. Even though I'm on the top layer, when I click, it selects the text. To avoid this, hold the Shift key and click. So let me start again. I'll select the top layer, get the text tool, and instead of just coming here and clicking, if I hold the Shift key and click, it lets the software know that I'm creating a new layer. Now I can type out the words that I want, and it hasn't typed into that original text box. This is especially helpful when you're working with layered templates and text paths. It also allows you to easily and visually overlap text on your document. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for another Designer Digitals tip.